Hi, we are on the way to David's house. He's probably sleeping. Today,
Band-aids on my boo-boos.
Wait, I need to take my hair out.
today we're going. Today we're going to UMD and IKEA. My voice just cracked. I'm excited. We're probably gonna be driving for like 3 hours, but it's fine. It's gonna be fun.
Not that far, Jamie.
3 hours total. I did the math.
No, it's not. It's less than 2.
Okay,
minutes
starting from my house. Starting from my house. It's fine.
Hours? Where are we going? New York? Oh my god.
Yes. Anyway,
Literally, we're all rolling you out.
I am not a math major. It's fine.
A math major? What is that? Wait, so you usually go straight? No. Right. So I usually. No, I usually go straight down. Remember last time you were like, why do you go this way?
Go left.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my god. And then you go.
Oh my. Last known.
Why does she look like the girl that comes out of the TV?
Sarah, wait. Wait 2 minutes.
Yeah! Alyssa's grandparents' house.
We picked up this person who we hang out with, and we did not pick up the other person who we hang out with. Oops. Oops. He just woke up.
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, using a fandango. Very, very frightening. Galileo.
We are stacking up real quick.
Yes. IKEA food.
I'm so ready. We're at IKEA. Yay, I'm very happy right now. Waited the whole week for this. Thoughts?
No, we waited since last week. What the heck?
Oh yeah, last week. How are you, Alyssa? Chocolate cake. Vanilla and dairy. What are your thoughts, Ethan Kim?
Excellent.
Very good.
Very good.
How would you say it compares to
Roosters.
Nothing compares to Roosters because you know what? It's free.
Roosters can suck my ass.
Loyal girl. Please censor that.
Are you telling yourself? Because you're editing this.
How much did this cost?
$5. Well, $4.87.
I also invested in
$4.23.
a sweater.
Okay. Looks bigger here. So.
Beautiful. Thank you, my model.
Oh,
It was too hot. Please don't do that.
I'll give you a big sweater. I'll give it to you for free.
Anyway,
You're right. The difference.
that's our vlog for today. Oh, and we just came from IKEA.
You got me and Sarah fighting about Roosters.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Oh my god.
We came out to see the fountain. It's raining.
Oh,
Ethan took out his contacts to try on
my god!
some stranger's glasses. Sarah went in the fountain. Sarah. It's actually a nice fountain. And how are you, Alyssa?
Are we not going inside?
The raindrops are really fat. Goodbye. How scenic.
All these beautiful girls, they only wanna do you dirt. They'll have you suicidal,
And they say it's over.
Hey vlog. We got off. We were about to go home to 270 or something, and then we had to emergency bathroom break at Dunkin'. But it's really nice out.
I almost died actually.
I actually almost peed in your car.
I got that on tape. Oh, and also we called Ethan for a very special question.
Oh,
Wink, wink.
and we're all scarred now. Oh my lord.
We look pretty rough right now.
After the Chipotle napkins.
I actually stuffed those in her car.
To get the hell up out of here and throw away my fears. I'm so faded off of all the things that I've taken.